One of the reasons that we wanted to explore digital solutions was high power bills. We upgraded our machine that we use to process and cut metal to something that uses a lot of power. And we went from basically a zero power bill, because we have solar on the roof, to thousands of dollars on power bills. So we were trying to figure out, how do we optimize our solar system with our power usage to reduce our power cost. I was thinking about digitalization, like how do we do that? Like what do you digitize in your business? How do you automate that? What do you do with that data? How much is it going to cost us? And that was a very intimidating thought of how we go about doing that. And then fortunately we got onto the University of New South Wales, and lo and behold, we've got a solution for some entry-level digitalization.
Digital Manufacturing on a Shoestring is a program designed to help small to medium manufacturers take their first steps into digitalization of some aspect of their business in a low-cost, low-risk way.
Shoestring is a set of low-cost digital solutions founded at the University of Cambridge. We're working in partnership with Cambridge to deliver Shoestring locally in the ACT and regional New South Wales.
We deployed a power monitoring Shoestring solution to Dusty Fabrications. The goal of this solution was to track the electricity usage of their large laser cutter and associated equipment to help firstly identify how much electricity it used, but also the patterns of that electricity usage. Once we know that knowledge, we can then further make decisions about how best to operate the device to lower costs.
What the Shoestring program brought to light is the fact that a lot of this machinery that we have to support our laser cutter is actually burning power at night when it's in a standby mode, and it's a significant amount of power.
It's important to make digital manufacturing less intimidating for small to medium manufacturing businesses, because there's so many benefits that a business can get from digitalizing even a small aspect of their business. The problem is a lot of existing programs are designed for larger organizations. So they're too costly, too complex, and they overfit the needs of smaller organizations. I hope that other small to medium manufacturing businesses can see a project like we have here and realize that digitalization and digital manufacturing doesn't need to be a big thing. We can take one small aspect, work with you to identify one small challenge that you have as a business, and help you take your first steps to digitalize that aspect.
So when we were originally talking to Michael about how we would implement this solution and the capabilities and data that we were going to get from it, I was expecting to spend several $1,000s. And when Michael sent through the quote, I looked at it, I was like, he must have made a mistake, because this can't be it. I mean, but the amount of money that we spent, the little amount of money we spent to actually help us save thousands in power bills, it was well worth it.
UNSW Canberra to me is all about lifelong learning. So the goal of this program is not just to deliver a piece of technology, it's about uplifting the digital capabilities of employees in organisations like Dusty Fabrications to help retrain and re-skill existing workforce.